Everyone. Today let's look at how to draw ranking data properly. And the thing with ranking data, if you see in this example, if you are getting better, if you're climbing up the ranking, so to speak, the numbers are getting smaller. So if you think about the normal chart, when the number gets smaller, the trend is going down. So as you see here, though, in order to properly draw ranking, as your ranking climbs up and the numbers go down, but you want to make sure the trend is also going up. So how to do that? Okay, now here's the example. Over the years, a person's sales data and his or her ranking within the division. Okay, so you can see that as the person's sales get consistently better, higher volume, the ranking also improves. Now let's look at how to draw this one. So there are a couple of techniques we need to employ in these charts. First, let's just starting from scratch. We collect all the data. Let's just go to another sheet, and I'm going to copy here. Okay, just easier. Now, as you can see that, go back here, we have a column charts on the sales and a line charts for the ranking. So there are multiple ways, but let's just select the two series, insert. Let's just insert column charts, regular column charts. Now before we do anything though, let's fix the axis by selecting data and category axis label other years. Alright, so now of course this chart itself is already pretty much I would say usable. Now of course sales and rankings. So the default is pretty clear. As you can see, the sales goes up, the ranking goes down because you are getting better. So we need to fix that. So how to plot this? We right click and let's see, format data series. Okay, so I select the ranking series, right click. Okay, let's see, right there, plot this series on primary axis or secondary. So this is the first technique we're going to use. So we're going to plot on another axis, which is on the right here. It's the secondary axis. Alright, so you can see that now my ranking is showing up on the right. Okay, so that's one. Now of course another simple technique would be change data type. So we're gonna just add a line. Okay, now it's a little bit easier to see now. We have two types of data plotted on each of the axes here. Now the last, which is probably the most important technique, is to how to let the ranking goes up instead of pointing down. Okay, so again, select the ranking data. This time we need to actually select the right axis, where the ranking is being plotted, and let's go ranking, format axis. Okay, now if you go down here, this is the key, value in reverse order. Okay, so value in reverse order. Now you can see that this is what we want. The volume goes up, also the ranking improves. So essentially this is how we properly draw ranking data, right? So better situation is always in the northeast, trending up. So I hope you find this useful. Thank you.